Alex the Language Explorer. This is Alex. He loves to play and have fun. What games do you like to play? Alex loves playing with his friends and running around. One sunny day, Mom told Alex they were going to Grandma's house. When they arrived at Grandma's house, Alex ran upstairs to the attic. It was a dark, old place. Alex stepped on something. He stepped on a book. Alex opened the book, but he was not able to read any of the words. Suddenly, the book began to swallow Alex, and he fell into a magical world. In this world, they spoke a different language. An old wise owl tried to speak to Alex, but he didn't understand.
Hola Alex, soy un búho.
Are you ready to learn more about Alex's adventure in this magical land? I hope so.